Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Angelina, and today she is making this neon UV skull paint for us. Well, if you are interested in how she has created this look, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. First up is sketching a bit of the skull on her skin. This is done with white face paint by Diamond FX on a Mark Reed brush. So basically Angelina is putting some guidelines on her skin of where everything should be in a bit. This is done with white to begin with, and once there is a lot of white on the skin, she is retracing her steps with black face paint, also by Diamond FX. The teeth our skull needs, of course. So these are just all triangles. A basic sketch of what will be there in a bit. Of course, the part on the temple with a kabuki brush and white face paint on there. Here is a very simple way to create a white face, and when you use a white face paint, all neon and UV colors will pop a lot more on the skin. So that is why Angelina made her entire face white just now. So all the colors that will be on the skin are UV blacklight neon colors. They are all by Diamond FX and Chameleon. And at this point I can only say there are a lot of spots of different colors face paint on the skin. And of course Angelina's face paints aren't just face paints, there is a part body painting in there as well. Time to go back in with the black. Of course we need black eyes. That is something all skulls need to become a skull. And then we go back over all the lines we put on the skin at the start of this video. So the temples get a nice black line and a shadow as well, just to create a bit more depth in this makeup. And the lines for the cheek and the jawbone as well. A bit of black in the chest and the neck area to create a bit more depth. Of course the ears need to be black because a skull wouldn't actually have ears. And some contouring with black under the chin and in the neck. As you can see, Angelina is really blending out that black colors, putting on some shadows with powders. So this is just a star blend in black by Maron. The nose of the skull, of course, that is in black as well. And some white just next to the black, that makes the black look even deeper and the white bits come forward, so that sells the illusion of the skull makeup a lot better than when you wouldn't put that white next to the black. some cracks in the skull with a detail brush and black face paint once again. This is optional, of course, but we really think it looks amazing to put this in a skull makeup. And time to paint those teeth. So this is white face paint. Just give all those teeth a nice white color. And then unfortunately this wasn't recorded on video, but there is an outline for all those teeth in black and just a bit of shadow to create more depth. Yes, that is starting to look like a nice Blacklight neon UV skull, and we could leave it like this, or we could just add a bit more, and well, Angelina definitely chooses the last option. So there are some splatters with black face paint, and here is a dripping effect for our skull. So there is a face paint brush with black face paint, a lot of water, and just let a drop of it run down the skin. It gives a very dramatic effect. It's a lot used with Halloween makeups and with this skull, as you can see. And as a finishing touch, here are some dots to go with our neon UV skull. This makes it look a bit like a graffiti skull with the paint running down and the dots, and it looks pretty amazing if you ask me. And the wig Angelina has, she has painted it herself. So this was just a blonde wig which she painted with the face paint that is also on her skin. Some finishing touches on the wig to make it match the face paint better. And with that, our neon skull, graffiti skull, blacklight skull face paint for today is finished. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. And if you really don't want to miss any of our videos, don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, because that will notify you if we upload new videos. Well, for now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back next time.